Go. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been before, then come and join us, do subscribe. Today, Edith and I are going to show you some toddler hairstyles. At the minute, she's got her pigtails in. I'm going to show you, I'm not very good with hair, as you can see. Mine's just never really very styled. I don't really do anything with it. So I figured that something that's easy, yes. She's got her socks on that she got for Christmas at the end of January now, but woohoo, who cares? And so yeah, anything that is easy and that she can't pull out, and if she does pull out, won't hurt her too much. We're not going to be doing like massive fancy things. If that's what you're after, then you're on the wrong channel. We're looking at something that suits her feral personality and is easy and quick, whilst your other kids are doing this to your face. And yeah, so yeah, let's start with the first one, shall we?
The world of sound. Now we have this triangle, a square, a square.
Garbage. Garbage.
So that's it. She has scarpered because hair is incredibly boring when you are nearly 3. And yeah, easy to do, as easy as it can be with a toddler. See you next week. Bye.